Hello guys, almost didn't see you there. Yeah, that's me, struggling with my old and rusty pliers. Yep, you got it. They're so badly rusted, they won't fully open. Well then, you got it. WD. Okay, of course not WD-40 guys. I'm gonna show you a 50-50 mix that's more powerful and more faster than any other store-bought product. So it's going to be 1 part acetone and 1 part ATF. The recipient I'm using, it holds 200 milliliters of liquid, so I'm gonna pour 100 milliliters each. Okay, so first 100 milliliters of acetone. Notice that the table is not level, so I'm gonna pour a bit more acetone. And now for 100 milliliters of ATF, that stands for automatic transmission fluid. That is the oil for automatic transmissions. Now we need to stir them until it's as smooth as we can. Over time they will separate, so keep in mind that every time you pick up the can or the recipient in which you keep the solution, you're gonna have to give it a good shake before using it. Now close the recipient with the pump. And now it's time for a test. We spray some solution on the pliers and let them soak a couple of minutes. This will give better results than other products because the acetone penetrates easily, even very tight spaces. It will destroy the rust, start destroying the rust, and it helps the oil get in those places and lubricate the parts. At least 2 years ago, if not more, this wrench was completely rusted. You couldn't make it move by any means. I even tried putting it in a vise and still I couldn't move it. I used the same mix I showed you how to do now, and you can see after at least 2 years, if not more, it still works perfectly. As you can see, I can move it with my pinky. After the acetone evaporated, I'm sure the ATF stayed as a layer of protection from further rusting. After just a few minutes, you can see it's working much better. The pliers aren't even staying closed if I hold them in the air. They open by themselves. You can see liquid rust seeping off out of the seams. Now I think you can see why I prefer using this instead of store-bought products. And I hope this helps you. I hope this will be useful for you as well if you decide to make this. Oh, and I almost forgot, don't use this on painted surfaces if you don't want to ruin the paint job, because the acetone will destroy the paint. Thank you for watching and don't forget like, share and subscribe. See you guys, bye.